Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super common issue: desktop icons not showing up on your screen in 2025. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or another OS, this glitch can be a real headache, but don't worry. I've got you covered with simple, step-by-step fixes that anyone can follow. Let's dive right in and get your icons back where they belong. First things first, the easiest fix is often the most effective: restart your computer. Sometimes, a quick reboot clears temporary glitches. Go ahead and shut down your system, wait about 30 seconds, and turn it back on. Check if your icons reappear. If not, let's move to the next step. Next, check your display settings. On Windows, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings or Personalize. Make sure the resolution is set correctly. Try adjusting it to your monitor's recommended size and see if that does the trick. For Mac users, go to System Preferences, then Displays, and ensure everything looks normal there. Icons might hide if the scaling is off. If that doesn't work, it's time to run a system scan. On Windows, open the command prompt as an administrator and type scan now to check for corrupted files. On a Mac, use the disk utility to verify and repair your disk. This can fix underlying issues causing icons to disappear. Another key step is to update your drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are a common culprit. Head to your device manufacturer's website, download the latest drivers for your graphics card, and install them. Restart your computer afterward and cross your fingers. If you're still facing problems, try resetting the icon cache. For Windows users, you can do this by deleting the icon cache DB file in the app data folder. Be sure to back up first. On Mac, resetting the desktop might involve a simple restart with some key commands. Always remember to back up important files before making changes. Finally, if none of these work, consider a system restore or seeking help from a professional. Most of the time, these steps will solve the issue quickly. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.